In digital currency news, TakeProfit has launched its beta version, offering a community-driven decision-making tool for independent crypto traders and investors. The cloud-based platform is designed to change the way traders research and trade while enhancing engagement within the community. The platform is free from ads, sponsors, broker promos, or sell-side research, and users will be able to monetize their analysis, strategies, and cloud indicators in the public version. TakeProfit's user-friendly web interface is accessible from any device through a browser, offering various apps as building blocks, such as charts, code editors, and watch lists, which can be combined infinitely in the user's workspace and shared with fellow traders. The platform aims to provide a diverse range of data and tools that retail crypto traders crave, along with immersive visualizations of financial data and a compelling UX/UI. The beta version already offers access to over 100 crypto exchanges and the US market, as well as day trader-friendly indicators, making it easy for new crypto traders to use and comprehensive enough for experienced ones. For more information, visit takeprofit.com/beta.